All right, we're gonna get started with our craft. Okay, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna use this flat canvas tonight. I thought about painting it, but I'm not going to just for the time's sake. I am gonna be using, I'm using this background paper. It is like a greenish paper, green color. It is a decoupage queen paper. I'm going to be using a frame, a pumpkin form, wooden form, and bling, and some embellishments. Anyway, we're going to use our decoupage decorator's varnish. So I'm just going to brush this on here. Give it a dry. So this is a decoupage queen rice paper. We're going to seal that real good. So we're going to seal this. This one, the decorator's varnish, you can get glossy or matte in this. Yeah, this one, I want to say I got from Decoupage. I always forget where I get that from. I think Decoupage napkins, actually. Okay, so this is our, look how pretty that is. It is a green background. It's really pretty. Alright, so what we're going to do next is we're going to bring, okay, so this form, this is just a pumpkin form. Y'all, this came from, and I should have brought it, this came from Hobby Lobby, and it had like attached to it, it was like a banner. Let's do I'm going to do kind of like a white, off-white color maybe. Farmhouse linen is what this is called. We're gonna crackle. All right, so we're gonna fine line crackle. That means a two-step crackle from Pint Art. We're gonna do component 1. And again, if you're not used to these steps here, you do need 2 clean brushes that can't have any moisture on them at all, or else you won't get a crackle. See where we're at. Alright, I think that's good. We're going to, let me let it cool off a little bit. So, okay, now we're going to go on to step 2. This is the fine line crackle for those that haven't used this. It is component 1 and component 2, so we're going to go on to the second step. Alright, so we're just going to apply this right on top of here. You can see me. I think we got her done. I think so. Now you're not going to be able to see it probably. I don't think. Oh, maybe so. You can see my ring light there, but I think you can see them. Alright, so now I think we're going to do the now we're going to do the burnt umber, I think, on this. We'll do burnt umber. Let's just see if this is going to... Oh yeah, I like that. Now I think you can see it now. That crackle. So I'm using burnt umber wax paste by Pint Art. Antique paste is what that's called. Alright, so this I think we're gonna put this here. But you know what I might do? Let me see something first. I think I want this little scrolly thing over here. Now I'm gonna use paste on it because you don't want him to kind of liquid on it. I just want this kind of a little faint on here. I don't think I'm going to get it just real. So I got that little scrolly thing. On both sides, it's not completely perfect, but that's okay. Okay, let's put this in here. I think we're going to use a frame as well. So we're going to do a little bit of B7000 and then some hot glue. Alright, so now we are going to use a frame on this, but that comes later. So I have these letters, these come from Hobby Lobby. You get a set of these, grateful, thankful, I don't even know the others. So I got these wooden leaves from Hobby Lobby. So they're wooden leaves, but they also have this shape too. So they have these, these and these. So I'm taking these, and I already did one, but I'll show you how I did it. So this is what it looks like. I put some stickles on it, and I think I used this, I want to say it's brass. I want to say this is brass. So these are like little laser cut words as well, wooden words. That's what we got so far. We got some little wooden leaves on there too. So now, I don't know, y'all, I kind of like a little pop of color. Kind of like a little pop of color right there. So I think you can guess what we're going to use. We're going to use our leaves here. This one for sure, that one. I'm gonna just dab this on here real quick. Okay, so we're gonna put this down on top of that, and then we got another one in this pack. We're gonna use that one. I think we're gonna put that there. Look how cute. So now we're going to bring our over. But I don't like this color, so we're going to, let's see. I think I'm going to warm it up a little bit. Folk Art Linen. That's all I'm using right here. Alright, so this is just one that I can pop in here. I think I want, just see how this looks. So this will just pop in here. Just like so. So that is our little craft. And what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to take some little rhinestones and see where those swirly things are. I'm going to put some rhinestones in here. But I won't do that tonight. So God bless each and every one of you, and I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all. Thank you.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.